I have some really horrible beef roast something or another. It's obviously very freezer burned, and I got it for free. So let's cook this up. It's a big piece of beef. Okay, well, we're going to use a nice cast iron skillet. We're going to throw a ton of olive oil on there. Yeah. And then we're going to take our freezer burned free meat. Don't ask me why I got it for free, please. And obviously, we'll do a temperature test. And we got 20 degrees. Good. And it is also 12:38 on August 18th, 2019. Alright, throw this pig on. Actually, this is beef. And the black stone tells us that we are aligned. I can already hear it starting to sizzle. It's been less than 30 seconds. Well, that took a while, but here we go. We've got it all diced up. Hour and a half, and I've also had quite a bit of indoor time. So I'm gonna call this done. I want to cut it into thinner strips, but I don't want to overcook it because I feel like this is the perfect consistency. And it's definitely, when you look at the area where the sun is actually hitting most, this is kind of the problem with this unit. But I mean, it's insanely powerful. So let's go ahead and take this in, cut it up into little strips. We might slow cook it later for a better taste, but this is pretty much the end of this video. Sweet and sour teriyaki, and of course your classic soy sauce. So this is a matter of minutes. And then our final product, soy sauce.